Many of you know Plank as the fun-loving, freewheeling board you see on TV each week. Those big eyes, that happy grin, just one of the guys. But what you might not know is that there's another side to Plank. A dark, worn, and distressed side, filled with bug holes and enough knots to keep your shoes tied forever. Now, is this the kind of leader you want? Let's take Plank to the woodshed. Vote for Ed. He's too simple to have another side.
Number one is afraid of teenagers. Eduardo is scared of strangers. Plank is bothered by forest rangers. The Grim Reaper fears no one. So if you want a VP with a backbone and not a VP without one, vote for the guy who's a skeleton. You can clearly see he has spine.
Re-elect Ed and Grim.
Paid for by the committee to
Re-elect Ed and Grim.
We all know that number one is good at bossing people around. But did you know that number one hates puppies? Hates them. Seriously. Vote for Ed. Ed likes puppies. Number one hates puppies. Seriously. What are people saying about number one?
Well, I know he hates puppies. That's not good.
Number one was mean to my children.
He's kind of a wimp. Number one pushed my sister. Number one took my lunch money.
If number one becomes president, I'm afraid he'll hurt my puppy.
Number one smells bad!
Vote for Ed. Re-elect that old familiar smell.